6th. We're covering Colorado first with your forecast. Taking a look outside. Got quite a few clouds out there, but it's still 86 degrees, Dave. Looks good.
Yeah, not a bad afternoon. I don't know if you remember yesterday when that big rain came through, we were in the low 80s, and when we got soaked, the temperature dropped down into the 60s. Quite a different story today. We're still mid 80s, despite a little bit of cloud cover out there. We're trying to get some storms going, but it's just so dry and so hot still. We're not getting much in the way of rain out of any of these storms, and there's just not a lot of lift here. Out east, it's a different story. We've got a big line of thunderstorms that is getting a lot of lift and rising up into the atmosphere out here from Lyman down to Pueblo today. Let's take it full, and I'll show you exactly who got hit. Now, Pueblo had a good soaking rain out of the bottom end of this storm system going through, and as it moves through Lincoln County, Crowley County, we've seen 50 to 60 mile-an-hour winds with that storm as well, and it extends just outside of Lyman, and there was one popping up near Burlington, too, out of that line as well. Springfield down there in southern Colorado, down there in Baca County, getting quite a bit in the way of lightning and thunderstorm action as well. There might even be some hail in that storm there. Meantime, there's Denver in the Front Range. We're getting clouds, we're getting buildups, but just gusty winds, and that's pretty much it. And I think that'll probably be the rule tonight. We might get a little sprinkle going through with a little shower coming through, but we are so dry and so hot, we just don't have the elements for real big storms to get going here, at least along the Front Range tonight. A few more storms down there around Telluride and Durango showing up as well. Good to see some rain down there. And the number of strikes in the last 15 minutes, if you count everything across Colorado, only 156 strikes in the last 15. When we were counting yesterday, every 15 minutes we're getting over 1,000 strikes out of some of these storms, and that was just across the eastern plains. So not as electrified as it was yesterday. Now there's a cold front on the weather map moving into Boise right now. That'll be a weather changer for us. That's not till Tuesday though. Watch what happens. We got a hot ridge of high pressure over the nation's midsection, kind of blocking things up here. So that cooling trough dips down in the Pacific Northwest, and then it kind of goes further south, right down into Nevada, Las Vegas. It's going down south. So on Monday, both tomorrow and Monday, we get this big push of southwesterly flow around here, and that'll be a downslope wind for us. So we got a hot day tomorrow and Monday, and then that trough moves into the northern Rockies and kind of takes a bite out of that ridge, so to speak, over Colorado. So on Tuesday, we'll probably drop into the 80s around here and keep that trend going for the second half of next week. So we do have a cool down coming, but we got 2 hot days to deal with. Today was a hot one, 91 at the airport officially. Same thing in Greeley and Fort Collins, 90 in Boulder. And the hot spot for the state, La Junta, made it to 99. Tomorrow, La Junta is going to zoom up into the triple digits, unfortunately. So these storms we got cooking out east will be moving out later tonight. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy in the morning tomorrow. We might have a few clouds out there on the western slope build up early on in the day. And then as we go through the afternoon, showers and thunderstorms northwest into the mountains and across the Front Range and the eastern plains in the afternoon. Not counting on these storms to be very large here over the eastern plains, but they may continue into the evening tomorrow night. Low temperatures tonight, 50s and 60s down low, 30s, 40s and 50s in the mountains. And look at the readings for tomorrow. Now, a lot of 90s showing up down low, but I just kind of want to zero in to this area of southeastern Colorado. Pueblo, La Junta, Lamar, Springfield, all may make it into the triple digits tomorrow. It's going to be hot. All right, tonight, partly cloudy, maybe a passing shower, low 60s for the low. Tomorrow, low 90s with isolated storms in the afternoon. 95 on Monday. The record is 102, so no record there, but hot enough. And then, Kathy, that little cool down coming Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Temperatures in the 80s, and we might have a few isolated afternoon thunderstorms.
Welcome July.
And there you go. Yeah, here it comes.
All right. Thank you, Dave.
See ya.
RTD workers are taking their COVID-19 concerns to